Something that I guess I didn't explain last time, it's about the door frame. So most of the time, if you go to your warehouse, the door that you find, it has their frame. Okay, sometimes they don't. If it has the frame, just put it there. Let me just go and find one door, see if I have the frame. um, Door um, model. So for example, if you're using this one, has frame. If you're using this one, it has frame. uh, I don't know, should I bring the frame without frame? Okay, let's try this one. See, this one has frame, and I place it here. As you can see, it's not the right size. Okay, um, and you have to modify it. Sometimes the door, remember, they have, if you go to window and model, component options, sometimes they have, you can modify dimension here. Sometimes no, you can't, so you have to just change the scale. The problem that I have with this door is if I use scale, then this side would be really thin compared to top part. See, if I go to scale, how can I scale this? Because I need to grab the handle in between, in middle. I have to change my style, and I go and select my styles. I make it X-ray and select this one, and I bring it. See, make sure you do not drag. Okay, you just click once and show a sketch of this corner, and you click there. So let me see. Okay, it's not that bad. Actually, I have to change the height too, so maybe I keep it this way. So I go to scale again, I change the this one, I grab this one and I match it with the height, then I change the X-ray. So I guess it's okay. I don't waste my time on something that it's not that much obvious. Even if it's these two sides, they are not perfect, it looks fine so far, and I just keep it this way. Now that I add this frame here, so actually there is nothing wrong, it's fine here. But if I don't know, if you have a door that, I don't know, if you want to keep the opening here, okay, then you have to make the door bigger. So then maybe you have to modify this one. What I mean that, for example, if I bring this one here and I want to, you know, this frame be on the wall, really, here it doesn't matter, it's just a rendering, nobody used this to build this. But I don't know, if you want to really make it, you know, as it they make it here, so this one you have to change the scale and it should be on the wall, it should be something like that. Then you have to go modify the baseboard, but I wouldn't do this. Okay, I don't waste my time. uh, See, it could be something like that, then your baseboard is going inside the frame. Honestly, it doesn't matter, it's not bothering me. Oh yeah, it is, it's going inside. So I would use this one, go to here. So see, this connection, it might looks weird, or no, you know what, I'll keep it this way. Otherwise I have to go inside the, you know, baseboard, and I have to go to X-ray and just push this one, this surface, you know, select the surface and use push pull tool and bring it here. Honestly, in this case, it's not a big deal. I'm just trying to explain what might happen sometimes, and then you have to modify stuff. Okay, but here it's really simple. or I would keep it that way. I wouldn't modify it because it's not. See here, I modify it. You see a clear line. Here it's going inside. You don't see a clear line, or you see, oh, because I didn't change this one. It's a stop there. So these are detail. I don't waste my time. This is the way that if you bring a door. Okay, what about if you want to make it a door? Okay, imagine you for example, you can't find the door and you want to make the specific door. So in that case, you have to add the frame here, and then you add the door. Okay, so probably this is my door opening. Okay, so I have to add the frame on the wall, and in real life they add the frame on the wall too. So what you can do, maybe the easiest way that I can do this, maybe I hide my walls. Okay, I hide my walls so I can see the both side of this one. And because everything is group, I can easily draw anything on that. So I would draw maybe a, I don't know, again, this could be, wait a second, again, maybe maybe 4, no, 4 is too much, 2.5, comma, 0.5. Okay, I just drew something like that. Or again, you can find any profile that you like, okay, and use it. And then maybe, so see, in this case, I would modify my baseboard a little bit. My baseboard would start from there. Then now I can, to make it nicer, probably I want to keep this to the same height. I come here, here too. You can't find any profile. I'm just doing something. So maybe I add something like that here. Then I go ahead and delete these extra pieces that I don't want. Again, imagine this is my profile. So the next thing that I have to do, I have to actually see, because if I use this one, here I see the wall. So what I would do, I would move this one just a little bit. Okay, I move it here maybe 0.2 to cover this point, this part. Then I would move it, copy it to this side because I need it on both sides. Then I use Philip along. I just did it by chance and it was right. Philip around that direction, and I put it here. Okay, the next thing, I just draw a line from here to there, and I delete these lines. Here,
make a group of it?
No, not yet. I have to finish. I am not done with it. See, I add a line there, I add a line here, and for some reason, okay, let me delete this one and this one. Still I cannot select it. Okay, so I hide the floor. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with it. Here to here. Okay, now I have the surface. I'm not sure. It shouldn't happen like that because I had all the surface. But anyway, so now that I have, this is my profile. Now I need the path. So now that I have this one, I bring everything back. I go to edit, unhide all. So where is my path? Where I need this? I need this around this door. So you can draw a line. You can draw a line here, 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 here. And then what's the next step? Triple click. See, I have my path. I press shift and see, I open a window from there here. So I'm pretty sure it would select my path from the other side. Then I go to follow me tool and I select this one. So now I have my frame, and as you can see, Yeah, no, I have it. Everything is fine. The only thing is, as I mentioned, because I did the baseboard before, the baseboard is kind of going inside it. Probably it doesn't matter, you know, but if it's really, you want to be really meticulous, you want to be perfect, what you can do, first of all, I'm done with this object. What should I do? Triple click, make a group. Now what I can do, I go to X-ray. I have to go inside the, you know, the group of the molding, and then I select this side and I bring it all the way to the edge of this molding. Okay, so it's really up to you. You can just ignore that thing it's going inside, because in this case it didn't really bother me. Sometimes you see, for example, you see the baseboard coming from here, then for sure I would fix it. Okay, so now I have the frame on both sides. It's perfect. Now I have to add the door. So it's really up to you guys how you're gonna do the door. If you have any detail, so for sure I need the surface, so I add this one here. Then I don't know, depends on your detail. I don't know, you can add guideline. I don't know really. It's really your design. I just do something. I don't know, maybe I use offset. Do you have a specific type of door or no? Okay, so then don't waste your time. Go find something. You know, for example, I do something like that here. And yeah, I don't know. If you want, you can add guidelines. It's like making anything else, okay? You can, you know, add guidelines. It helps you guys to draw stuff. So I don't know, if you want to make it one piece, do it. If you want to make it in pieces, group everything. And then, you know.
Please, can you go, hello?
Yes.
Can you stay here? Can you make baklava in the middle? Two?
Make baklava? Sorry?
Yeah. The baklava is two in the middle. How do you do it?
If you want to add any molding, yeah, you can. It's the same thing as what we did here. If I want to add molding, make sure that you make a group of this one. Then what I would
do... You have to make
two
surfaces, right?
Sorry?
You have to make two surfaces. One straight and one up, yes?
Yeah, see, for example, I want to add that molding here. So what I would do, I need a path, I need a profile. So imagine that, so this is my profile. I don't know, maybe it's gone, it's not coming out of this. Okay, so I maybe, it just stuck there, but I would move it a little bit out, for example, like that. See, make sure you make a group. If this is not a group, these two stick together. Now this is one surface. I can easily modify it. So then, I don't know. Again, I'm not really, for example, it's something like that. Then from here, like this, anything you can make, you know. Oops. So I don't know. Imagine this is the detail that I want to add. Okay. So see, this is my profile, and it's really ugly. Okay, you know what? Maybe I add another thing here.
It doesn't matter, just to...
So imagine this is my profile. Then I need a path. The easiest way to do the path, I just draw a rectangle here. Keep in mind, when you add a rectangle, SketchUp add a surface, okay? And you have to delete the surface. So here, I would add a rectangle here and here. I mean, this is a rectangle, and oops, where am I now? I go to top view. So see, I have a surface. I don't need it. I just need the edge. So I delete the surface. Okay, I will keep it actually. Instead of selecting the path, I can select the surface, this is my path. Then I go to follow me tool and I apply this one. Then I delete the surface. Now see, here you go. I have this one. If you wanted to put it there, I would make a copy of the profile, okay, because there is no way that I can repeat the same profile here. So see here, I would select the profile, I would go move, copy it here. So see, something that I'm doing wrong here, I'm trying to make an object when I have too many things going on. So the easiest way is, you know what, I would hide my walls. I don't need them anymore. I don't know, maybe I hide you know, even this part. Okay, and then I can, you know, I can easily go and do it. So here you go, I add another rectangle here. See, I have two faces that I don't need, but I can use it as a path. Select the surface, this is my path. I go to follow me tool, select this one. I select this one as a path, follow me tool, select this one, select the surface, delete it, select the surface, delete it. When you are done with door, I would triple click this one, make a group. I would triple click here, make a group, then select all of them, this and this, right click and make a group of the door, and then I make a group of the door and frame. Anything you have to make a group, okay, and it's make it easy to move or do anything. So when I'm done, I go to edit and I go to unhide all. So here you go. So I have what I needed. Again, I would go to warehouse, find the handle, and I put it here. Okay, so what else? We did the door, we did the frame, we did the molding,